Okay, it's time to do some division. Division, yes, it is time. With remainders. Let's begin. Problem 1. Dun dun dun. So problem 1 here. Question is, how many 2's can go into this number here? So, how many 2's can first go into 5? How many 2's can go into 5? 2. How many are left over? 1. Now you have to think, how many 2's go into 13? How many 2's can go into 13? That would be 6. How many are left over? Again, that is 1. Now, how many 2's go into, you guessed it, 17? That would be 8. 8. And then how many are left over again? Well, 2 times 8 is 16. We wanted 17. The difference is 1. Okay. We have 1. There's nothing else here. Well, let's put something there. How about we put the number 0? If we put the 0 here, then we have to add one more thing. A 0, and then a really, 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 really tiny 0. Like a really, really tiny 0. A 0 that's so tiny that it looks like a comma, or a period, or a decimal point, or a punct. So you add a 0, 0, you add the comma. 0, comma, comma, 0, comma, 0, 0, comma, comma, 0. So now you go, how many 2's can go into 10? 2 times what is 10? And then you're gonna write the number like 5, like that. And then is there anything left over? 2 times 5 is 10. We wanted 10. You did it. The answer is 268 and 5/10. Let's do another. How about this one? Where'd that come from? Anyway, okay. How many 4's can go into 9? We can do this because 9 is bigger than the 4. So how many 4's can go in here? That would be 2. And then what is left over? How many do we have left over? Well, we wanted 9. And 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So we have 1 left over. 1. Circle it up. How many 4's can go into 15? Ooh, I know this one. I know it. What is it? 3. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12, we have 3 left over. Now I have to figure out how many 4's go into 34. How many 4's go into 34? Oh, that's a tough one. 8. 32, we have 3 left over. Okay, so now there's nothing here. The 3's all by itself. Don't cry, Mr. 3. It's okay. It's okay. We'll find a friend for you. We'll find the number 0. Now the 3's not alone. And since we did this, we need to do this. Because we do this, and we do this, and that, and that, and this, and that. Because, yeah. Okay. So then the question is, how many 4's go into 30? That would be 7. 4 times 7 is 28. So 28, so we have 2 left over. Again. We have it again. 2's all by itself. We need a friend. Can I get a friend somewhere? There's a 2. There's a 2 that doesn't have a friend. Anybody?
I'll help out.
Yes, hurry. All right, we got a 0. But we already have the comma, so so it's done. We don't need to do that. We just need to do that. Okay, now how many 4s go into 20? How many 4s go into 20? That's 5. So we did it. Yes, that's the answer. Great job.